From the depths of the ocean to the vast expanses of the terrestrial realm, the Earth has been home to some truly colossal creatures throughout its history. The largest animals that ever lived have captured the imagination of humankind for centuries, inspiring tales of wonder and fear, and provoking questions about the limits of size and the nature of life itself. To understand these magnificent giants, we must traverse through time, exploring the realms of both the ancient and the modern, and delving into the biology and ecology that allowed such beings to thrive. The blue whale holds the title of the largest animal known to have ever existed. Reaching lengths of up to 100 feet and weighing as much as 200 tons, this marine mammal dwarfs even the largest dinosaurs. Imagine a creature so immense that its heart is the size of a small car, and its tongue alone can weigh as much as an elephant. The blue whale's sheer size is a marvel of evolution, a testament to the adaptations that allow it to survive in the vast open oceans. Its enormous body is streamlined for efficient swimming, and its baleen plates enable it to filter vast quantities of krill, its primary food source. In the depths of the ocean, the blue whale glides gracefully, a gentle giant that embodies the beauty and mystery of marine life. But the blue whale is not the only contender in the realm of size. The ancient Earth was home to titanic creatures, some of which roamed the land and others that ruled the skies. The Argentinosaurus, a massive sauropod dinosaur, is thought to have reached lengths of over 100 feet and weighed upwards of 100 tons. This colossal herbivore roamed the lush landscapes of what is now Argentina during the late Cretaceous period, its long neck allowing it to reach the treetops for a feast of leaves. The sheer scale of Argentinosaurus is difficult to fathom. It is believed that its legs alone were as thick as those of an elephant. The sheer size of such dinosaurs raises intriguing questions about their biology. How did they support such weight? How did they move? The answers lie in their unique skeletal structures and metabolic adaptations that allowed them to thrive in their environments. Flying reptiles, too, claimed their share of the sky. The Quetzalcoatlus, one of the largest known pterosaurs, had a wingspan that could exceed 30 feet. With a long, slender neck and a beak filled with sharp teeth, it soared through the late Cretaceous skies, likely hunting fish and small dinosaurs. The sight of such a creature gliding effortlessly through the air would have been both awe-inspiring and terrifying. The adaptations of Quetzalcoatlus for flight, including its lightweight bones and powerful muscles, demonstrate the incredible evolutionary innovations that allowed it to take to the skies. As we delve deeper into the past, we encounter the Megatherium, or giant ground sloth, which roamed South America during the Pleistocene epoch. This enormous creature stood over 10 feet tall when on its hind legs and weighed around 4 tons. Unlike its modern relatives, the Megatherium was a formidable herbivore, using its massive claws to strip leaves from trees. The discovery of its fossils has provided insights into the diverse ecosystems that existed during its time and the interactions between large herbivores and their environments. The oceans of the past also harbored their own giants. The Megalodon, a prehistoric shark that lived approximately 23 to 3.6 million years ago, was one of the largest predators to ever swim the seas. Estimates suggest that Megalodon could reach lengths of over 60 feet, with jaws powerful enough to crush the bones of large marine mammals. Its existence raises fascinating questions about the dynamics of prehistoric marine ecosystems and the evolutionary pressures that shaped the development of such a formidable predator. While these ancient giants have long since vanished, the present-day world still boasts animals of remarkable size. The African elephant, the largest land mammal today, can weigh up to 12 tons and stand over 13 feet tall at the shoulder. These majestic creatures are not only known for their size, but also for their complex social structures and intelligence. Elephants display a range of emotions, including grief, joy, and empathy, and their ability to communicate over long distances using low-frequency sounds is a testament to their sophisticated social lives. The sperm whale, another modern giant, can dive to depths of over 10,000 feet in search of squid, making it the deepest diving mammal. Males can reach lengths of up to 60 feet and weigh as much as 45 tons. The sperm whale's unique adaptations for deep-sea hunting, including its ability to hold its breath for over an hour, highlight the incredible diversity of life in our oceans. Its massive head, filled with spermaceti, a waxy substance that helps with buoyancy and echolocation, is a marvel of evolution, allowing it to thrive in the dark depths of the sea. As we consider the largest animals that ever lived, it is crucial to reflect on the environmental context that allowed these giants to flourish. The size of an animal is often dictated by the availability of resources, habitat, and ecological niches. For instance, the vast plains and abundant vegetation of the Mesozoic era provided ample food for the gigantic sauropods, while the nutrient-rich waters of the ocean supported the growth of enormous marine creatures. However, the story of these giants is not merely one of size. It is also a tale of survival and adaptation. The evolution of large body size, known as gigantism, is influenced by various factors, including predation pressures, climate, and resource availability. In some cases, larger animals can deter predators or compete more effectively for food. Yet with great size comes great vulnerability. The extinction of many of these giants serves as a reminder of the delicate balance of ecosystems and the impact of environmental changes. The extinction of the woolly mammoth, a creature that once roamed the northern tundras, illustrates the challenges faced by large animals. As the climate changed and human populations expanded, the mammoth's habitat shrank and hunting pressures increased. The last populations of woolly mammoths disappeared around 4,000 years ago, a poignant example of how even the mightiest can fall in the face of drastic environmental shifts. Today, the largest animals are facing unprecedented threats due to human activities. Habitat destruction, climate change, and poaching pose significant challenges for species like the African elephant and the blue whale. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring that these magnificent creatures do not follow the path of their ancient relatives into extinction. Protecting their habitats, enforcing anti-poaching laws, and promoting awareness about the importance of biodiversity are essential steps in safeguarding the future of the planet's largest animals. As we marvel at the giants of the past and present, we are reminded of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. The legacy of these colossal beings is not only etched in the fossil record, but also in the ecosystems they inhabited and the stories they inspire. The blue whale, the Argentinosaurus, the Quetzalcoatlus, and the woolly mammoth are not just relics of history. They are symbols of the wonders of evolution and the resilience of life. In contemplating the largest animals that ever lived, we find ourselves at the intersection of awe and responsibility. The stories of these giants encourage us to reflect on our place in the natural world and the impact we have on the planet. As stewards of the Earth, it is our duty to protect the incredible diversity of life that exists today and to honor the legacy of those that came before. Through understanding, conservation, and respect for the natural world, we can ensure that future generations will continue to marvel at the magnificent giants that roam our planet, both in the oceans and on land. The tale of the largest animals is not just a chronicle of size. It is a celebration of life itself, a reminder of the extraordinary possibilities that exist within the tapestry of nature.